Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about if your app is not installed in your device OnePlus 10 Pro, how you can solve this problem. Before starting the video, if you're new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move on to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 10 Pro you are having issue related to the app installation or your apps are not installing, you can solve this problem by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the app not installed problem in your device OnePlus 10 Pro. Let's watch it.